Karibhoi District Sports Association Haka jinglam khmat u President jongka RBDSA uba RB Shadam lamba ki dekhot jongka kala penlong da ka jingilang kabarin kum ka jing ai mensim ba ka jingkurkhu kerdo iki players barki official baro haka sngi shwa biki rang barki Thei Ialehkai jongki jing Ialehkai sports ba pher naga district kinleit ben Shim Bynta haka Meghalaya games R1000 R4R kabala sedang nadu menta ka sngi ka R tarik u Jemmang Hanong ba Shillong lapoi ban ai mensim mikini ki rang bat ki Thei Ialehkai jongka district dau BDO jongka umsning CNRD blog usiri Raja Brahma ubala kawe yakalama jongka RBDSA kabalong kum kadak ban pen daw bat ban ai ke jingkit bok ki ruang ya ki rang bat ki Thei Ialehkai jongka district
ka office jongka RBDSA ka kwa ban ai kuble yapi kum ki team baro nadu ki athletes contingent ki football team boys and girls ki ban Leit Shim Bynta ka court Meghalaya games hang ning idon ki official ki ba ngi lai pen bai ba shwa ba pin mi nang ne in ai kuble yapi ki kok ki wiang yapi badru ba ni community ba haba pilai nang ne pin poi da ka besuk ha ka jaga ka ba bisa kat ka ba ka MSOA ka pingre ante bat ni nang ne kum kadak jong ka jing school ai man sim yapi ni wan hang ne kum ki official baro bat ai man sim yapi ba pilik suk ba pin poi suk ha du ha ki jaka ka ba pin Shim Bynta badru ha ka por ka ba pisa hang te ki dei ben long ki kun samla ka don akor pendon burong ya ka district ke jongi ndei ta ha ki Ialehkai ki wilenti ba pin pendon burong ru haka akor haka buram haka por ko pidon hangte hakti ki asngi lai sni ko pisa
wa itu ini Shillong mo we are not strangers but friends who never met tingi ti perlo pajukendo menchua tenga melong phabok wonta sni dan bengkak pisa tenga thanks all the members advisor ro friend team advisor tenga kum video I am very privileged mo today and honored to flag off this set for Meghalaya Day. Not only on behalf of Muslims and the block, but all on the behalf of the administration present. The nilai program for Muslim block tangba henna ni kade jangka program jang administration. The ngayolak ni accomplish ni kisah bara. The bede kumbaong we should go with the sportsman spirit and with discipline. A discipline de ebro ngimdan ka mantrum yo facilities eu. Ka spirit de ka ba yo pi manage itu and that is the first winner mo have job ta psychological jing job jing de to belong how you adapt the environment of the Meghalaya in Shillong now for Shillong pila opposition you adapt the environment after that you go for the games for spirit with the spirit we expect you to do better and we give you all our wishes. We hope that you bring medal. Okay, medal is not only our objective, but our objective is that you take part with sports spirit and discipline. Piwandra Kanam ya district, Kumbaong advisor. Not only the district, it will bring names to the state also. From state level, you will go to a higher level, national, and one day you will become an international player. These are the steps in the sports. We always hope to excel. Tangine kitin kilamjonga. I wish you all the best, and our very famous slogan always there from the right from childhood. North or east, east or west, Rivoi district is the best.